Hey Glam fam, Chrissy Beauty here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the whole fall series that I'm doing. So in today's video, I did a green and gold type of fall vibe. So if you guys want to see what I used for this, then keep on watching. So the first thing we're going to do is use a Morphe M152 brush and pick up the shade Top Secret from Jaclyn's Armed and Gorgeous palette. I have been using this palette a lot, but that's just because I feel like two of her palettes, her little mini palettes that she came out with Morphe, are like the perfect colors for fall. So we're going to go with Top Secret and we're going to pack that into our crease and blend it out as we go along as well. Now using a Morphe M441, we're going to pick up Access from the same palette and blend that into our crease. Just doing it until you get a desired shade of yellow right above the green. And yeah. Try keeping a little bit of a lighter hand just so you're not packing on too much. And now that I got the desired shade from both my yellow and my green, I am going to go in with my concealer and kind of cut the crease, just not too much. Never know how to explain that because I don't want it too precise, but I do want a bit more concealer on my lid. So I guess I'm not cutting the crease, I'm just putting concealer on my lid so my pigment has something to grab onto. So that's what we're doing. Alright, so now that both my eyes are freshly concealed, I'm going to go in with Gilt Trip and just use, I was going to use a brush, but I always feel like my finger always just applies pigment way better and it's just more vibrant. So I'm just going to go ahead and go in with my finger and put Gilt Trip right on top of the concealer that we put on our lid and set as well. Now that the pigment's on, I'm going to go ahead and go in with some liner. I apologize if I block. I cannot see, so I do need my mirror a little bit closer. So yeah, just going to follow the line, obviously. Oh yeah, I don't know why I said that. Anyway, we're going to do eyeliner. Alright guys, so my camera died in the middle of my eyeliner, so I just went ahead and finished off and then put on my lashes as well. So now I'm going to go in with my foundation, this time only using my Tarte Shape Tape foundation in, excuse me, light medium honey. Alright, all my face powders are done, and I had an itch. I'm going to go in with my NYX Slip Tease in Beyond Basic, and then go on top with a golden gloss from e.l.f. Alright guys, that was the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you're not already subscribed, then please don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.